Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to remove Shadowban on TikTok. To start this tutorial, open and locate your TikTok application in your mobile device. Once you are here, tap on your profile on the bottom right. You just need to go to your profile this time. And then in here, click on the three horizontal lines on the upper right and then go to Settings and Privacy. Once in Settings and Privacy, scroll down and then click on Report a Problem. In here, wait for the website to finish loading. Once you are here, this time you need to scroll down. Once you scroll down, click on Submit a Report, the bottom option. Once you're here, wait for it once again. Over here, in Tell Us Your Feedback, all you have to do is input your details or your case that needs help from TikTok support. You can follow what I'm writing here on my screen, or you could also compose your very own sentence or paragraph. While doing that, go ahead and take your time. I will be here waiting. Don't you worry. Once done, you can also add an attachment such as a photo or a video. Now click Submit to finish it all. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, subscribe.